My name is Ramapriya. I am from Tamil Nadu. Recently, I have graduated in BE Computer Science. College name is AJS Institute of Technology in Coimbatore. After that, I am interested in the software testing. So I don't know how to take my interest in industries. After that, I can join in the month of June in QSPIDERS Basavanagudi. They gave me the training and the training sessions and the grooming sessions. After that, in the month of August, I joined in the FSDI. I attended more interviews. And then I got with the package as per the company standards. I would like to thank my faculties like Rajat sir, Manjunath sir, and Chandana ma'am. And also I would like to thank my HR teams and Q Spiders Basavanagudi. Thank you so much.